What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
One thing that whenever I had to make a lot of wreaths every year, one thing that I always did was batch producing. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. So the first thing that I did was took all of my ribbon and I pre-cut it the length that I needed. So I knew I needed 72 inches. So I knew I could wrap it around this board 5 times. And that would give me my 72 inches. And I knew exactly how many wreaths I needed to make with the supplies that I had. So I had to make sure all the ribbon was cut the exact length. In batching, we do the same thing in a row and knock things out. So the first thing that we're gonna do is get our Fleur De Lis ready. FYI, this will be a kit in our Etsy shop. You can grab this one. You're gonna get a pipe cleaner like this with the spikes already on it. All right, so we're gonna prep our Fleur De Lis. All right, so while this glue dries, we're gonna start making our bows. Our first ribbon, we're gonna go about 12 inches, pull the 12-inch tail down, and then we're gonna make about a 6.5 to 7-inch loop, and then another 6.5 to 7-inch loop on the other side, and then cut about 8 inches up here. All right, y'all, then we're gonna save this little piece. Gonna go with my next one. This one's going to be about 8 inches at the top. All right, so once again, a long 12-inch tail at the bottom, about a 6-inch tail. So we're going down about a 1/2 inch every time. All right, we're going to grab our next one. Y'all, and we're just going to keep layering these through here. Y'all, I really like this one. It's pretty. One more. We have all these scraps left over. Y'all, we're not gonna lose them. We're gonna take those scraps and just apply them right into the wreath, or right into the bow, I should say. All right, on the last one, we're gonna make our center loop again. Now we got our whole bow done. We're gonna take 2 pipe cleaners, twist these together. To make this, I can make 5 bows like this out of the roll of ribbon. Get this pulled nice and tight. Y'all, we're gonna make one more bow just like this, right? So we're talking today about batching. So we're gonna knock out more than one wreath all at the same time. So we're using a 14-inch oval grapevine. I'm going to attach the Fleur De Lis up here to the top right. All right, let's get our other Fleur De Lis attached. Y'all, whenever we do multiples and batch processing. I always do each step every time. All right, so this grapevine, this side is a little less perfect than this side. So I'm gonna put the Fleur De Lis on the jacked up side. So y'all, now our wreaths are ready for their bows. All right, we're gonna add our bows right down here. So just remember that it is illegal for you to make product with copyright or trademarked items. So you need to figure out how you can create your most asked about products and not get fined $5,000. Right? Y'all, you cannot make the Grinch. You cannot make Disney. You cannot make Whoville. Don't do it. You're going to get tricked. You're going to get in trouble. You cannot make sports teams. Y'all, now all we got to do is clean up our bows. All right, to do that, let's just dovetail our ribbons. Did I get all the tails? Y'all, there's a lot of tails on this one. I missed this one right here. Did I pick a winner yet for the big prize? Nope, I think it goes through the middle of October. All right, quick and simple. You guys have a good night, and I don't know when I'll see you guys again. It's a busy week. Bye, y'all.